Hey guys, MJ and Izzy here from Endless RVing. Now you know and we know that build quality is a huge issue in the RV industry.
So we just got back from the 2022 Tampa RV show and we did see a lot of issues with build quality.
We did, but in this video we're gonna stay positive and we're gonna bring to you 5 RV manufacturers that are doing it right.
So we're gonna head back down to Tampa in 3, 2, 1. So we are out here with Coley Brady, the owner of Alliance RV. This is another manufacturer that we chose to be in this video for 2 reasons. Build quality, but really a more important reason is going to be customer service. So give our subscribers your 2-minute intro and what you're about.
Okay, so I'm Coley Brady, one of the co-founders. We're standing here at the Tampa RV show, and we are definitely one of those manufacturers that's really keen on customer service, right? We have owners here on the display. We are doing the right thing with all of our consumers on making sure if there is something that goes wrong that we're quick to respond and we're quick to take care of it. We are building 3 different product lines. The Paradigm product line, which is a full-timer's fifth wheel. We're building the Valor toy haulers, and we're building the all-new Avenue mid-profile fifth wheel. So we're here at the show, we're having a great show, but it's all about customer service. It's all about being obsessed about the end consumer, and our company and our team members are all obsessed with making sure we take care of that end consumer.
Well, I see you have a booth here with it says Welcome Allies. What is that?
Yes, so Allies, Alliance RV, these are the folks that are part of our team actually, and we call them our team because they bought our product, but they also want to be here at the show to help really kind of tell our story, and they speak firsthand.
So I'll follow you out there.
Yeah, and they're speaking firsthand on all the things that we're doing with customer service and support, and they can be a first-hand voice to the prospective buyers about what we're doing and how quick we are to respond with, whether it be a parts order, whether it be a warranty claim. We do a lot of stuff when it comes to mobile service techs. We'll send mobile service techs right to the consumer. If they're full-time in one of our products and they can't get to the RV dealership, we'll send a mobile tech out. And one of the other things that we have here at Alliance RV is we have a really dynamic Facebook group. So that Facebook group is a spot where customers can go if they have a question about how a unit works or they have a service-related problem. They can actually post their problem on our Facebook group, and we'll be there to respond. So we have a team that monitors that site, and myself included. We monitor that group page every day, every night, even on the weekends. And if there's a question, comment, feedback, we're listening, and we're also responding through that Facebook group.
So we are here with the Allies, Michael and Candy, and they are actual owners. They're here because you like the product.
That's right.
Now, I want you to speak to our subscribers. We know you've had problems because everybody in RV has a problem, but we wanted you to tell our subscribers what your experience has been with Alliance.
All right, well, we've had our rig just over a year. We've had a couple small issues, nothing really major. Our last camping trip we got back and one slide went out and it just stopped. Like we had no power. I checked all the wires, I checked everything. I called Alliance and they're like, get a mobile tech out there. We'll take care of it. And mobile tech came out, and that was our second time mobile tech that we had. When we first got it, we had a leak on a slide. When it was open, it would leak. And it was just a little too much work, actually. They made the slide too good. It didn't let the water drip, and it was catching the water and letting it run inside when it was there. But they had a mobile tech come right out and took care of it for us. We have not been back to the dealership at all. I don't know how many miles we put on it.
A lot.
4 or 5. 5,000 or 6,000 miles this year, and not one issue towing it down the road at all.
So it's great hearing from actual customers. So now after hearing all that, people are going to want to know if they want an Alliance fifth wheel or a toy hauler. What is the best way to do the research and get in touch? Order something.
A couple of good ways, but the main way would be go right to our website, alliancerv.com, and on there we have phone numbers, we have email addresses, we have all of our specs, all of our contents, all of our weights, all of the different floor plans. Also, you'll see there a dealer locator, and all of our dealers across North America who have our product in stock, and they can go do their research actually at their local dealer. So
yeah, that's New Jersey. That's Myers RV.
Right.
Yeah.
And
So
if you're in Tampa, it's RV1. So yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So thank you, Coley, for taking that time.
You bet.
Let us know in the comments below if you know anybody that owns Alliance. What do you think about it? Nice.
Very good. Thank you.
Take care.
Yep. Thank you.
So we're here with Bob from Show Hauler. This is another one of the manufacturers that we felt was putting out some of the best quality coaches, and more importantly, really good on customer service. So talk a little bit about your coaches, why the build quality is so good, and more importantly about your customer service.
So on top of all the steel construction and everything that we do, one of the things that Show Hauler is really well known for is their customer service and their warranty service. We have Chad Troyer, who has been with the company since day one, and really stands behind the product. He is personally involved in each coach. When we get a customer that calls in, he makes sure that that customer is taken care of as quickly as possible, shipping out parts or getting them to a service center to get resolved.
So if somebody's interested in getting a show hauler, who should they contact?
Contact me at Show Hauler. My name is Bob Morgan, and then I will get them referred out to a dealer that we have in their area, and we can kind of go from there, get things put together as far as the floor plan, and then start putting some pricing together and get a coach under order.
Awesome. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you.
So another manufacturer that's focusing on build quality and customer service is Intec. Now, if you followed our channel, you know we've done videos with Intec. We'll link one above. But I'm here with Keith from Intec, and the question that the subscribers are going to want to have is, what is Intec doing to protect build quality, and more importantly, what are they doing for customers and customer service?
Yeah, so a lot of manufacturers talk about quality, fit and finish, and that's a focus for them. But we feel like to really have that, you've got to ingrain that into your culture. So what Intec does, it's a little different, is how we pay even a shop employee who's actually building the units. Most manufacturers are going to pay off a piece rate. So what piece rate is if your job is to install an LP tank or an LP cover, you need to do that 20 times that day, and once you complete that, you get to go home. So your only motivation is to do it as fast as physically possible. At Intec, our guys are paid off of profit sharing. They're paid off the profitability of the company. They all work together all day long. Nobody leaves before the entire crew is done. What that does is it motivates our employees to look around the unit, and if they're installing this LP cover but they notice there's a scratch over here on it, they say something. They care about the quality of the product that's put out to the end customer. And ultimately that then provides the customer the best experience when they're able to buy a unit that doesn't require going back to the shop and having service and repair done all the time. And then of course internally, you know, having a robust customer service department, so when there is a question or concern that comes up, you can get quick access to somebody. And even more importantly, we allow our customers to really get served at any dealership pretty much throughout the United States. If there's a dealership that can help you out and get you back on the road that is convenient, you have them call our shop, and then we allow them to do the work, send them the parts, and get you back up and rolling.
That is a wealth of information there. Everybody's going to want to know, if they're interested in an Intec product, what is the best way to contact Intec?
For sure, jumping on our website, intec.com, and then there is a service page or a contact page that you can go to. And there you can, whether you have a service question, a sales question, you can reach out to us. And then also, if you're looking to see a product or talk about a product, a dealer's a great spot to go. We have a dealer locator on there. You put in your zip code and you can reach out to them.
Awesome. So thank you for taking that time, sir. And we hope you guys give Intec check them out.
If you're enjoying the video so far, we invite you to subscribe, join our ERV family. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you know every time we go live or release a new video. Also, if you're on Facebook, we have a private Facebook group. It's called Endless RVing, RVers Coming Together. We'll see you there.
So another manufacturer that's putting out quality units, and more importantly, listening to the customers, is Phoenix Cruiser. So we're out here with Tina from Phoenix Cruiser. We've done quite a few videos with her. We'll link them above. But she's going to talk to you a little bit about what Phoenix Cruiser is about.
Yes, we're a small family-owned company. My husband and I own the company. The company's been in business 25 years, and for us, the quality of our coach is everything. We really take great care in wanting to produce a quality product that you will enjoy. But we also know that sometimes we fall a little short, and that's why we have customer service. You know, we always encourage customers to, go to a service center that's near them, that they trust if they can't get to Elkhart, but they're always welcome to call us. We have a service department in Elkhart. We'll take your calls, we'll answer any questions that you have.
So one other important thing you pointed out, so the coach behind us was actually inspired by customers' feedback. You want to talk a little bit about this coach specific of what you changed?
Yeah, actually, it was at Hershey Show 4 or 5 years ago, and a customer came in and they said they loved the floor plan, but they didn't like crawling into the back bed. My husband spent a lot of time with them, and they came up with this idea to add a slide on the passenger side and provide a bigger bed. We really do try to listen and see how we can make our product better. And then likewise, if there's a particular challenge with certain construction or parts, we do look to see if we can improve that as well. And so that's why it's always good for us as a manufacturer, even though we do sell through dealers now, we try to keep that close connection We keep the service open at the factory. We keep our phone lines open at the factory so you can call us there, maintain that direct connection. So
if somebody wants more information on a Phoenix Cruiser, what's your best contact?
best way to do that is to call us at the plant, 574-266-2020, or visit our website. A list of our dealers are on the website. Inventory is limited right now, so we will list dealer locations that may not currently have stock, but you are welcome to give us a call, find out where a product might be, or just follow the links to the dealer sites too, whichever way is more comfortable for the customer, really.
Well, thank you, Tina, for taking that time. And
Thank you.
Again, a Phoenix Cruiser, great product. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
So another manufacturer that's really taking care of their customers is going to be Millennium Coach, right?
Yes, sir.
So we did a video with Scott from Millennium Coach last year. We'll link it above. But you're on the Prevost chassis, and there comes a certain level of quality with that. So just explain to our viewers, when you're getting into something like this, what can you expect?
So what you expect with this is, of course, Prevost is the top as far as RV chassis go. It is a unibody construction chassis. We take and we build upon that. What we do is our custom fit and finish on everything that we put inside the coach. What you get from Millennium is an undeniable commitment to excellence as far as the build process and customer service. One of the things we're known for is our customer service and what we do after the sale. We just don't sell you the coach and say, best of luck to you down the road. We stand behind this product 100%, the whole life of this coach. Not just you as the owner, but to the next owner, and therefore. We have 4 gentlemen who are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to answer any question you have, including myself. If we don't know the answer, well, the owner of our company, he definitely knows the answer, and he doesn't mind us giving him a call. We attend rallies and different events throughout the country, and we take our service vans. We set up, we take care of any issue. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Millennium. If there's another customer there that has an issue, we'll gladly help them out. We're there to help anybody and everybody that has an issue that needs support. Along with that, our customer service team at the shop is there to make sure that all the repairs are done to your satisfaction as well as our satisfaction. Our quality control still continues in the service department, that we look at every job after it's completed to make sure that we are confident that you as the owner will be happy with the work that we did.
So those are 5 RV manufacturers that are putting out quality units, but more importantly, that are focusing on the customer service.
Yeah, weren't we just in Tampa 5 seconds ago?
Yeah, and it was like 60 degrees warmer. So in the comments below, let us know, do you own an RV from any of the manufacturers we talked about? Also, if you do, how's been the build quality and the customer service? And if there's a manufacturer we missed, let us know also. And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.